Now that we've seen primitives, we can have a look at some of the operations that we can do. Operators are used to change input values to new output values. Operators are more a math concept than a Java-specific concept. The basic math operators are available in Java as well. Operators are used to perform operations and produce a result. This probably sounds very vague, so let's look at a concrete example. This is an operation. The operation is addition, and the operator is the plus sign. The operands are x and y, and z is the result. There are different categories of operators in Java. Arithmetic operators, amongst which the plus sign we just saw. Assignment operators. These are often used to change and assign a value at the same time, but just assigning a value is actually also an assignment operator. We have the unary operators. These operators work on one single operand only, and we have the relational operators to compare two values. In the next video, we're going to have a closer look at the arithmetic operators.